As of yesterday, the app that changed how Americans invest has officially launched in Canada. And if you've been using Bitbuy or Coinsquare, your account just changed hands. Here's what actually happened, what it means for your money, and whether you should be doing anything differently right now. I'm your Crypto Compass. Let's get your bearings. On June 1st, 2026, Robinhood officially closed its $250 million acquisition of WonderFi, the parent company of Bitbuy, Coinsquare, and Bitcoin.ca. That means, if you're one of the 1.6 million registered users on those platforms, you're now in a different ownership structure than you were last week. But here's the thing. Most of what changed is happening behind the scenes, not in your account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what changed, what stayed the same, and what to actually watch for over the next 90 days. Let's get into it. On June 1st, Robinhood completed its $250 million takeover of WonderFi. That deal covers Bitbuy, Coinsquare, and Bitcoin.ca, three of Canada's largest OSC registered crypto exchanges. In total, 1.6 million registered Canadian users and $2.1 billion in assets under custody are now part of the Robinhood family. For context, Robinhood is the U.S. trading platform that launched zero-commission stock trading to American retail investors in 2013. It now has about 24 million funded accounts in the U.S., and it's been expanding internationally for the last 2 years. Here's the most important thing for current Bitbuy and Coinsquare users. Both platforms retain their OSC restricted dealer registrations post-close. That means they remain subject to Canadian securities law, CIRO oversight, and FinTrack reporting requirements, the same framework they've always been under. Your account balance is the same. Your login is the same. Trading is uninterrupted. The Robinhood name is now in the background, but nothing visible in your account changed on June 1st. Now, here's what CIRO. Alongside the WonderFi acquisition, Robinhood announced it's rolling out its own Robinhood app in Canada, and the fees are worth talking about. I'll cover those next. Robinhood's Canadian launch fee is 0.5% flat per trade. Crypto only at launch, no stocks yet. And to put that in context, here's how it stacks up against the major OSC registered exchanges. Coinbase Canada charges roughly 1.99% on standard trades. Wealthsimple Crypto and Shakepay sit around 1.75%. Robinhood and Newton are both at approximately 0.5%. So, yes, Robinhood's Canadian fee is competitive. But Newton has been at this level for years and already has an established Canadian track record. You're not getting something dramatically cheaper than what already exists. You're getting another option at the competitive price tier. What Robinhood brings that Newton doesn't is brand recognition, a global product roadmap, and, potentially, a path to bringing zero-commission stock trading to Canada, which would be a much bigger deal. There's no timeline on that yet, but it's why the market is paying attention to this story. If you're shopping for a new exchange right now, Robinhood Canada at 0.5% is legitimate and OSC registered. So is Newton at 0.5%. The practical difference today is track record. Newton has been in Canada for years. Robinhood launched yesterday. Factor that in. Now, what should you actually watch over the coming months? Because the most interesting part of this story hasn't happened yet. 3 things to keep an eye on. First, Robinhood Gold. In the US, Robinhood's premium tier offers higher instant deposit limits, margin trading, and better interest rates on cash. It hasn't been announced for Canada yet. If it does launch here, it would change the competitive landscape meaningfully. Second, platform integration. Robinhood has said that integrating Bitbuy and Coinsquare with the main Robinhood experience will take time. What that means in practice: expect a gradual UX refresh, potentially new asset listings, and at some point, a more unified account experience across all three platforms. Don't expect dramatic change in 2026, but watch for it in 2027. Third, and this one won't change, but it's worth repeating: OSC registration. The regulator doesn't move with the ownership. Regardless of who owns Bitbuy, the OSC and CIRO oversight framework is Canadian, permanent, and doesn't transfer in an acquisition. Your consumer protections under Canadian securities law stay exactly where they were. If this kind of clear breakdown of Canadian crypto news is useful, hitting subscribe means you'll catch every update as the Robinhood Canada story develops. I track this stuff so you don't have to. Here's the bottom line. As of June 1st, Robinhood is officially in Canada. If you're a Bitbuy or Coinsquare user, nothing changed in your account today. Your money is safe, your OSC protection is intact, trading is normal. The ownership behind the scenes is different. The protections in front of you are the same. If you're looking for a new platform, Robinhood Canada's 0.5% flat fee puts it in the same tier as Newton. Both are OSC registered. The practical difference is track record. Newton has been in Canada for years. Robinhood launched yesterday. Factor that in. And the bigger story: zero commission stock trading, Robinhood Gold Canada, full platform integration. That's a 12th in a sovereign story. Stay tuned. What's your take? Are you going to try Robinhood Canada or staying with your current exchange? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button and ring the bell. I'll be covering every development on this story as it unfolds. See you in the next video.